children? Tenses. I think everybody has the A4 sheet in your hand. Is
Good
it
morning,
so?
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Everybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
A4 sheet in your hand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take A4 sheet paper and neatly border it. Open the video and show to me, everyone. Open the video. Okay, fine. By using the scale and sketch pens, neatly order that one. Please do it fastly. Do it fast, children. I will share the thing what you want to do. See, take the class or what I have given about the tenses. Then you do in the A4 sheet on the top you write the heading tenses. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Ma'am, your voice is
Yes,
breaking.
ma'am. Audible. Audible, ma'am.
Clearly audible or is it breaking now?
No, ma'am, your voice.
Clearly audible, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So take an A4 sheet paper. Then you type the heading tenses. Tenses heading you write. post now.
Ma'am, we want to do in landscape, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, we want to do like a landscape, ma'am.
Landscape, yes, landscape only. See, tell your friend yesterday itself I have informed you that you must join the class before 10:05. Isn't it, children? Whether I informed or not?
Yes, ma'am. You have informed, ma'am.
Only of the meeting today. I will not open the meeting because those who has the network issues also I told they can join the class 5 minutes earlier. If they can't do, no need to come to the class.
Ma'am, Hema Vashni said that because of power shutdown, the Wi-Fi connection was not there. Ma'am, so she can't.
Yes. If she can't there, she has to inform me, isn't it? Hema Varshina, daily late only pa. See, a first part I have written tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense I completed. That you can see and write. 10th B I have posted. 10th B A and C also I will post. Okay, children, you see, suppose if you want to see it fully, wait for 2 minutes. I will come and I will show it to you. Okay. Open the WhatsApp and see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we want to do no present tense alone, ma'am.
Last one, past perfect continuous. I am writing very shortly, but you have to write it in a full sentence. Okay. What is the form of simple past? Subject plus V2 plus object. Past continuous, subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. Past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 form of the verb. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus been plus ing form of the verb. Okay, I will post it now. You wait for 2 seconds. One sheet you have to keep everything. Okay. Next, future tense. I don't have the space, but the thing you have to write like this. Start writing, children. Start writing. Suppose if you are not started,
ma'am.
Suppose if you are not started, you can take 3 A4 sheet, 1 A4 sheet for present tense, 1 for past tense, 1 for future tense. But the division you have to write for the every tenses. Next is simple future, subject plus, will or shall plus, will or shall plus V1 form the verb. Future continuous. What's the future continuous form? Subject plus will or shall plus V plus B plus B plus ing form of the verb. Next, future perfect. Future perfect form is subject plus will or shall plus will or shall plus how plus V3. How plus V3. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus will or shall plus how been plus ing. How plus been plus ing form of the verb. See, 10D I have posted. The header you can write it to all the tenses. You take a 3 A4 sheet paper. First paper, you write the heading tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. There you write the 4 tense forms of the present tense. Got it, children? Next A4 sheet you take. Then you again write tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. In that you put an arrow for past tense, write the past tense for forms and its formula. Next A4 sheet you can take, then you write future tense. There you can write simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Got it? Then after this formula, you write no subject plus V1 or S or ES plus object. In that formula, under you put an arrow. There you write what you want to write there. Examples what I have given in the classwork. Got it, children? Any doubt?
Ma'am, how many examples we should write, ma'am, for one form?
Ma'am, again, ma'am.
1 or 2 is enough. Okay. Sanjay, take a 3 A4 sheet paper. First, that header, that means the division of tenses you should write for all the A4 sheet paper. Okay, first A4 sheet you write
Okay,
present tense. First A4 sheet present tense arrow கொடுத்து அந்த 4 deviations நல்ல நீட்டா legible அழகா அந்த spacious எழுதணும். எழுதியதுக்கு கீழே simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Got it? அதுக்கு கீழே அதிന്റെ formula எழுதணும். Like boxes I have kept, in that you can write formula. Again, put an arrow for concerned tenses examples what I have given there. You can write. Suppose if it is a simple present tense, you can write the sun rises in the east or sun sets in the west. Present continuous, I am writing English. Present perfect, I have completed my homework. Present perfect. Likewise, one examples you can write down in a cloud or any other thing. Anybody, those who completed present tense, post in the chat box. So it will be better for others. Got it, children?
Ma'am, if we are writing 3 pages, in the 3 pages also we should the present, past, future, like that, ma'am.
Yes. That is what is known as header for the 3 lenses. Now 96 attendees are here. Your kind attention, children. Those who are come to the class late, I will not give the attendance today. Already I informed you yesterday in your class, you have to join the class sharp 10 o'clock itself. So at least 2 minutes I will wait for you then to log the meeting today. Same procedure will be following all other classes also. I don't want to wait you people. Those who are ready to attend the class, come on time. No issues. If you have network issues or whatever it may be, you could have informed me earlier. Without information, you people are coming. You yourself know. Many of you got personal message after the class starting of English. Got it? Those who have interest alone hereafter come to the class. So children completed. Santosh completed. Santosh already forwarded one interesting formula with a simple method. Fine, Santosh. Okay. Give a good clap to Santosh. Give clap for Santosh. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Santosh, you have to by heart that formula also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Santosh B. Give a good clap. Suhida, what doubt? Clap and hand raise பண்ணக்கூடாது.
Unfortunately, I touched ma'am.
Yes. Do fast, do fast. It is very important. This formula is very important. With that only we are going to learn reported speech. Okay. So finish it fast, children. Completed children, don't keep it for one day program. Complete fast. I have to take this reported speech. Those who completed, please post it immediately. Abhishalini completed.
Ma'am, doing ma'am. I'm going to complete.
Do fast. Sanjit, super, super, super. Anybody else from the girls' side? So shall I start reported speech, children? No, na சீக்கிரம் முடிக்க. டைம் தந்திருந்தா 2 ஹவரும் எடுத்துடு, எனக்கு தெரியும் நல்லா. So do fast. Completed, children? So finish it. During your break time, wait. During your break time, you can finish it and update it to me in the Teams app. I will create one link in the Teams app so you can update to me through the Teams app. Got it, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Take the classwork and write the heading reported speech. What do you mean by reported speech? From the word, it's a meaning is there. Last year also we have studied from 8th standard onwards.
Direct and indirect speech, ma'am.
Very good. Direct and indirect speech. The direct speech of the speaker, we are reporting to somebody else. That is what is known as indirect speech. Together, direct and indirect speech, we can say it as a reported speech. So, reported speech is simple. What is it? There are two types of reported speech. Two people are speaking. Suppose Vishal and Sanjit is speaking. Divya all hearing that one. That Divya is going to say to Dayanidhi. That kind of reported speech is there. Another two thing is there. Same Vishal and Divya Darshan is talking. Divya Darshan is going to say to somebody else. That is also a kind of reported speech. The main important thing for the reported speech is the changes in the tense form. Okay? Changes in the tense form. Suppose she said, I am playing. How we can report it to that one? She said, I am playing. So, she said that she was playing. First she said, aval cholli, enna cholli, I am playing. Njan play pandre. So here she said that aval chollinar. Appadithane, she was playing. While we are reporting a direct speech வந்து quotations இருக்கும். That is the actual words of the speaker. Inside the quotation, we can see the actual words of the speaker. While we are reporting a direct speech to indirect speech, first duty is to take out the commas, that is quotation mark. By taking out quotation mark, we have to add that connection word. Which one we can add? That. Next is tense changes. Simple present will change to simple past. Not that changes. Simple present will change to simple past. Present continuous will change to past continuous. Present perfect will change to
Past perfect.
past perfect. Present perfect continuous is changed to past perfect continuous. So we can say that all the present tense, it will change to corresponding past tense. Simple present, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, it will change to past perfect continuous. Got it, children? That idea is clear to you. All the present tense, it will change to past tense. Got it? I will say one example. Simple present tense. Okay. He said, I do not like computers. How we can change simple present tense? So that we have to change it to simple past tense. He said that he did not like. Simple past tense form is V2 form. So like is changed to liked. He did not like computers. Present continuous. I said it is raining. How it will change? It will change to past continuous. I said, so there is no change in that area. I said that it is raining. How it will change? It will change to present continuous. What is the form of present continuous? Subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. So it changed to I said that it was raining. Got it, children? It was raining. Same thing will happen to all the present tense. So the present tense will change to corresponding past tense form. Then what about past tense form? இப்போ அம்மா சொல்லி present tense வந்து past லேக்கு change ஆகும். அப்போ past tense எந்திலேக்கு change ஆகும்? Past tense will change to within past tense itself. Got it? Past tense வந்து வெளியே போக மாட்டே. Past tense வந்து within past tense it will change. See, simple past is changed to past perfect. Simple past என்னாய் change மாட்டும்? என்னாய் change ஆகும்? Past perfect. Past continuous change to past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Got it? Simple past will change to past perfect. Past continuous will change to past perfect continuous. Next, past perfect is there. What will happen to past perfect? Nothing will happen. It will remains as same. Next, another one is there. Past perfect continuous. அதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? அதுக்கு indirect speech இல்ல. There is no indirect speech. There is no direct sentence also. Okay, so three past tense will change in among themselves itself. Simple past change it to past perfect. Past continuous will change it to past perfect continuous. Past perfect remains the same. Got it, children? Next, future. Future I will teach you tomorrow. So see, this rules, can we write this rule? Write the heading reported speech. Reported speech. Already detailed versions and all I have given in the last year. You can refer that note also. Basic rules of speech and conversation alone I will give you. Indirect speech, what is an indirect speech? How to identify an indirect speech? Changes in the indirect speech. That alone I will post. So you write the grammar reported speech. Written, show the classwork. Open the video and show the classwork, children. Tomorrow also 5 minutes earlier or the after time you have to enter the class, otherwise meeting will be logged. Okay, fine. Reported speech. Very good, very good. Mute yourself, everyone. I will post in your WhatsApp group. 10th A. WhatsApp group and parents group, you have to come and join 10th A students, okay? Registered school rules of speech and conversation, basic speech and conversation. Basic rules of speech and conversation. First side heading, indirect speech. In direct speech. In DIRECT, direct speech. Shut up. Whether you are able to see in the WhatsApp group, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
I'm audible.
Whether you read? 10th A it came, 10th B and 10th C. 10th C it came, children. To whom I am asking? Tenth A ചെന്നുള്ളൂ, 10th B യും 10th C യും ചെന്നില്ല. Tenth A, please forward because it is not updated in my WhatsApp, please. Tenth A is B and C, whether it came, Sanjit, whether it came in WhatsApp group.
Ma'am,
Yes or no?
ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, it is not.
Ma'am, we received, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, we received. Ma'am, 10th B we received, ma'am.
10th C. 10th C ல யாருமே இல்ல கிளாஸ்ல. 10th C Navani. Yes. Whether you have received, pa?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write fast. Write fast, children. Write fast. Completed children, those who completed, posted in the group both activities. First activity, I will say in the Teams app. Okay, tenses. With the name of tenses. That is your homework today. Complete and submit the tenses. Okay. Yesterday's test paper only 81 people attended. I want everybody to attend this one. Okay. Tenth C and tenth B June month activity updating rate is very low. 10th C 20, 10th B 28, 10th A 31. Update your activities as soon as possible. Okay, thank you, children. You can leave the meeting, update your classwork in the WhatsApp group and the Teams. I will create a link for updating this tenses. Okay, thank you, children. You can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.